We can all see, with the size of the blade on this chainsaw, it looks like it'd be a breeze to cut through big trees, right? This here is the Stihl MS-881 Magnum, a heavy-duty tree-cutting machine with incredible cutting power. It's equipped with an automatic slide-based cutting system that makes heavy-duty jobs a lot easier. The MS-881 is designed to tackle large trees, even in hard-to-reach forest areas. Now, the real question, if we were to take on the Yggdrasil tree, guarded by Loki himself, do you think this beast would do the job?